The time has come. We are finally saying goodbye to our 2019 Camaro SS.
That is loud.
You heard that right, guys. Today is the day we finally got all the paperwork and everything finalized, and the new owner will be picking up his new 2019 Camaro SS. Now, before the owner gets here, I am gonna go ahead and give it its final wash. It's been sitting out here since we decided to put the ZL1 back in the garage. Now, before we get into the video, guys, I do want to go ahead and say thank you so much for all the support. By the time this video goes up, we probably will already have hit our 5,000 subscriber mark, which is insane. That is awesome. I'm super happy and glad that you guys are supporting and coming along and seeing these videos. And we are steamrolling ahead to that 10,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year. So if you haven't, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't, so that you can stay up to date with all of my videos. We do have a lot of stuff coming with the ZL1. If you haven't seen those videos of me taking delivery, make sure to go back and check the most recent ones. But over the last 2 years, we've had an amazing journey with this 2019 Camaro SS, and it is obviously been transformed into something completely different. And there's a bunch of videos. I've done a lot of reviews on all the different parts and stuff, from visual to performance, and you guys can go back and look at that if you have any questions for your 2019 SS. Now, the SS is going to be gone, but it is being replaced by this beautiful 2019 ZL1. So if you guys love boosted content, we've got the ZL1 here, which will be doing a bunch of stuff. This is bone stock, and can't wait to get this thing to the track and show you guys what this can do. For now, let's give you guys one final cold startup on the 2019 Heads Cam Camaro SS. That noise, but the supercharger whine of the ZL1 I think will make up for the camming and chopping action of the SS. So I'm gonna get to washing this thing, leaving it nice and pretty for the new owner, and in the meantime, let's go back and show you guys all the amazing times and incredible things that we went through with this 2019 over the last 2 years. Because I just bought a 2019 Chevy SS Camaro. That is loud. So from a 40. Jesus, just the car just spins. And the pops, guys, that's the craziest part about this thing. it is nice and clean for the last time here in this driveway, guys. And man, I would be lying if I said that I wasn't gonna miss this car, guys. This car has been nothing but great to me, and as you guys just saw, just nothing but great memories. It was an amazing car, and just had a blast all the time with this car. Now we just gotta wait for the new owner to get here, and we'll give him a full walk around of the car, try to get his impressions of it, first time actually see it in person, and hopefully he enjoys it as much as we do. All right, guys, we got both of these out here, and the last time we're gonna get to hear the SS for a while. The buyer's here. You guys mind being on camera? Yeah. So what do you guys think?
Nice.
Yeah?
Nice. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna tell you guys where these guys are from, because they'll probably want to go race some cars out there. So without the wrap and everything, this car's gonna look like most of the other ones, and you won't even know where it came from. But man, I appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, like I keep telling everyone, it's gonna be sad to see this thing go, but I guess we have a good replacement for it. So they're gonna drive this thing, they're gonna load this thing back up, but because we got such a low car here, they're gonna try to get this trailer back up so we can just make it easy loading. And it's up on the trailer now, guys, so it's pretty much official. No turning back now. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and keep me updated on how it does and what you guys end up doing with it.
I told him, to be honest, we'll probably go try it.
Nice. Yeah, it's gonna be a badass car for sure. In the meantime, you can enjoy the 700 horsepower with the nitrous.
He's excited.
Oh yeah. Shit, well, again,
Hey,
thanks, man. Likewise, appreciate it. Good meeting you guys.
Hi, bro.
Y'all take care. Y'all be safe. Oh. So, get one last look of it, guys, because like Stradman says, when it's gone, it's pretty much gone. But it's okay, because we got this. I'm sure they're gonna enjoy the crap out of that car, guys. The garage is now clear. Now all that's left is, of course, the ZL1, guys. Now make sure to check out, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because we are going to the track tomorrow with this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Give us some little nostalgia, look back at the Camaro SS and just how great that car was, and hopefully the new owner really enjoys it and has a great time with it. But we've got greater things coming up, like the stuff we're gonna do with this ZL1, guys. We're gonna be going back to track often, just like we did with the SS, as we start doing more and more mods to it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.